Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today is Fitness Fridays once again and we're here at the park and we're here to give you another workout that you can easily follow at home. So stick around. For this week's workout, we're still following our workout template. It's a three-part workout. The first one is the resistance circuit. The second part is the interval training, and the last one is the cardio workout. For the resistance circuit, we have three exercises. The first exercise is the core exercise, and for this week it's gonna be straight leg sit-ups. You're gonna lie down flat, and then you're gonna point your hands or fingers towards the sky. Then you're gonna do a sit-up, and you're gonna reach for the sky. Then you're gonna slowly go back down and do it for 10 repetitions. For the upper body exercise, we're going to do pike push-ups. This one is a little different from the normal push-up. You're gonna put your hands and feet closer to each other and your hips will be high. Then you're gonna bend your arms. You're gonna put your head down, almost touching the floor. Then you're gonna press, straighten your arm and pressing it up. So this kind of push-up will work the shoulders and the triceps more than the chest, and you're gonna do it for 10 repetitions. And for the leg exercise, we're going to do the squat jumps, stationary squat jumps. You're gonna stand straight, feet shoulder width apart. Then you're gonna bend your knees, squat down, and then you're gonna explode up to a jump. And when you land, you're gonna bend your knees again, to go into a squat position, hold it for 3 seconds. Then you're gonna do then you're gonna jump again, then land again, bend your knees, hold it for 3 seconds. You're going to do it for 10 repetitions. After that, you're gonna rest for a minute and you're gonna repeat the circuit 2 more times. And please watch the B-roll on how to perform the exercise. second part of the workout, which is the interval training. We're going to do sprints again, and this time we're going to do a 4 laps of sprint per set. Now we're going to look for a space approximately 10 meters or 3 to 5 seconds of sprint. The first lap, you're going to sprint forward. Once you cross the finish line, you're gonna sprint backwards. Then you're gonna sprint lateral, going towards your right. Then lateral, going towards your left. Then you're gonna rest for around 45 seconds, 1 minute, depending on how fast you recover. And then you're gonna repeat it for 7 more sets, so total of 8 sets. And please watch the B-roll on how to perform the exercise. For the last part, it's the cardio workout. So we're still going to do the same cardio workout as we've been doing. It's gonna be 15 minutes of running or jog, and then followed by 5 minutes of walk for cool down. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and we're giving away 2 sneakers. Please check the mechanics down below. We'll be announcing the winner on Sunday on our live stream. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.